Listen and repeat.
When does the supermarket close? When does the supermarket close?
The supermarket closes at 9 p.m. The supermarket closes at 9 p.m.
What are you wearing to the party? What are you wearing to the party?
I'm putting on a dress. I'm putting on a dress.
Do you eat healthy? Do you eat healthy?
Yes, I usually eat healthy. Yes, I usually eat healthy.
No, I rarely eat healthy. No, I rarely eat healthy.
When is your doctor's appointment? When is your doctor's appointment?
My appointment is on Tuesday at 9:30. My appointment is on Tuesday at 9:30.
When will the movie start? When will the movie start?
The movie starts at 8 p.m. The movie starts at 8 p.m.
What color is the backpack? What color is the backpack?
It's yellow. It's yellow.
What color are the shoes? What color are the shoes?
They're red. They're red.
Here's a key. Here's a key. Is that your key? Is that your key?
No, that's not my key. No, that's not my key.
What color is the key? What color is the key?
It's blue. It's blue.
How much does the dress cost? How much does the dress cost?
It costs $150. It costs $150.
How much are the jeans? How much are the jeans?
They cost $57. They cost $57.
Here's a cell phone. Here's a cell phone. Is that your cell phone? Is that your cell phone?
No, that's not my cell phone. No, that's not my cell phone.
What color is the phone? What color is the phone?
It's black. It's black.
Will you give me your cell phone number? Will you give me your cell phone number?
Yes, I'll give you my cell phone number. Yes, I'll give you my cell phone number.
No, I won't give you my cell phone number. No, I won't give you my cell phone number.
What don't you like to do? What don't you like to do?
I don't like cleaning. I don't like cleaning.
I don't like working. I don't like working.
I don't like cooking. I don't like cooking.
Here's a jacket. Here's a jacket. Is that your jacket? Is that your jacket?
No, that's not my jacket. No, that's not my jacket.
What color is the jacket? What color is the jacket?
It's blue. It's blue.
What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
I like swimming. I like swimming.
I like dancing. I like dancing.
I'm going to the movies. I'm going to the movies.
I'm cleaning the apartment. I'm cleaning the apartment.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, I'll help you. Yes, I'll help you.
No, I'm not going to help you. No, I'm not going to help you.
Do you like riding bike? Do you like riding bike?
Yes, I like riding a bike. Yes, I like riding a bike. No, I don't like riding a bike. No, I don't like riding a bike.
Do you have children? Do you have children?
Yes, I have children. Yes, I have children.
No, I don't have children. No, I don't have children.
I always jog in the park in the evening. I always jog in the park in the evening.
I meet friends every Friday after work. I meet friends every Friday after work.
We're going to a bar. We're going to a bar. Do you smoke? Do you smoke?
Yes, I sometimes smoke. Yes, I sometimes smoke.
No, I don't smoke. No, I don't smoke.
Is there an appointment available on Monday? Is there an appointment available on Monday?
Yes, there's an appointment available on Monday. Yes, there's an appointment available on Monday.
No, there aren't any appointments available on Monday. No, there aren't any appointments available on Monday.